Hello, this is my receiving video project. For intro to logistics, my name is Joshua Bellew. My professor is Merrill Yancey, and today is September 9th, 2025. For this project, we were asked to, pick out a product that we own. So I picked a fishing reel baitcaster. I chose this baitcaster because I just have a passion for fishing, and I own several different brands of reels, and this one happens to be my favorite reel. It is the Shimano SLX DC. And so with Shimano, they make several different models of the SLX. And even further, each model can also come with different gear ratios. So, some of the models are the SLX DC, which is my personal favorite, the SLX 150A, XGA, the 70A, the XT, and the 150HG. And I thought it was important to, list all the models because the scheduling process for this particular product could differ from model and location of manufacturing. Manufacturing happens in several different countries, and although they're manufactured in different countries, they also depend on components from other countries. So manufacturing really depends on a healthy global supply chain. So scheduling delivery vehicles and yard control for this product, scheduling delivery trucks and yard control really depends on a well-devised forecast of demand. These products are delivered all throughout the world, and manufactured products are usually sent to retail stores or warehouses where the customer then purchases. So scheduling delivery could be, from a box truck like FedEx, UPS, USPS, or mixed in with, freight on a trailer. So unloading of this product is it's really dependent based on the quantity of product being received. This particular brand comes in so many different models that they're able to be shipped together in mixed boxes. And if they're not, and they're shipped on pallets on freight, a fork truck, pallet jack, those type of equipment could be used to unload. But if it's shipped in smaller quantities on a FedEx or similar, it may just be a few boxes to manually grab off the truck. So checking for product quality and quantity. So during the unloading process, the load should always be looked over to see if there was any visual damage that's been done during transportation. And also during this process of unloading, quantity should be checked as well to make sure orders match what is being delivered, by comparing your documents and such. The inventory and labeling, this could be, after unloading product, boxes, may need broke down if multiple SKUs exist inside a received box. In this case, each should be scanned or entered into the warehouse inventory management system and potentially reboxed if needed for storage. Now, after scanning into the warehouse management system, it should generate or allocate a location for safe storage based on the product, or even based on the model. So just in time and cross docking. So this product will either be moved to a specific location for just in time shipping, or if the product is being cross docked and then shipping out with other material fairly quickly, it'll be stored close for the truck it will ship out on. So, several things I learned. The Shimano headquarters is located in Japan, and this is where they handle planning, development, and the design of the reels. The manufacturing or assembly of the reels takes place in a few places: Malaysia, Singapore, and Indonesia. And Shimano has a fulfillment center in Belgium for the European distribution. I found it interesting that they consolidated its distribution efforts to improve efficiency just 2 years ago in 2023. And the North American distribution is handled in Latson, South Carolina. So thanks for watching the video, and I hope you've learned something, and thank you.